cabinetry designs limited to kitchens and bathrooms? The answer is no. Here are some fun and easy ways to use cabinetry in other parts of your house. There are plenty of options for cabinetry design throughout your home. Every woman longs for the perfect closet. Like a boutique, the presentation of clothes, shoes, and accessories make any space feel more than just a room. Custom cabinetry and organizers in closets help create the extravagant experience. But don't just stop there. Personalize outside the closet in the bedroom with built-in dressers or shelves. Then there's always the man cave or arcade, better known as your family room, which can always use a little bit of extra storage space and styling. Using custom cabinetry might be the option for you. Cabinetry gives you more control over the look and feel of your entertainment center and can provide additional design options for storage and organization. Now you can hide all the activities for game night, remotes, old VHS tapes, and even keep your secret stash of treats away from the kids. Designing a unique wet bar can be a party in itself. It is a space designed to help entertain guests. The possibilities are endless. You can mix and match many different styles and patterns to fit with any room in your home. Utilizing cabinetry in this space assures you and your guests that the party doesn't have to stop once you enter the home. Laundry doesn't always have to be a chore. Design a space that makes you want to spend hours washing, folding, and ironing clothes. Straight Line Design offers numerous solutions to fit any of your laundry needs. Our designers can help you create a space wisely, so you can store baskets, cleaning supplies, hang wet clothes, and even stash all those extra beach towels and those mysterious unmatched socks. It also provides the perfect spot for your much-loved pooch to safely relax and nap when you are away. We hope this video has been helpful. Give us a call or stop by our website to learn more on how Straight Line Design can help you with your design and installation needs. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one.